Hi everyone, Joyce Academy here. We have Play-Doh Magical Designs Palace featuring Princess Aurora by Disney Princess. Let's open it up. So everything is out in the box. We have here Princess Aurora, and we have two snap-on skirts, and this is the cake. It comes with two sparkle compounds, colors blue and pink, and two more compounds, color yellow and purple. And this is our palace. It has a lot of molds on it. The front and the back, different kind of molds, and this is so easy to assemble. All we have to do is snap it on. I want to decorate Princess Aurora's skirt first. Let's put on the blue Play-Doh. This is the sparkle one. Let's make some bows. Let's make some purple bow. Now it's time to decorate Princess Aurora's gown. She looks so gorgeous. Now time to decorate the castle. Let's use the flower mold here. We're gonna use the flowers to decorate the cake. And hearts. Let's make some blue hearts. Let's decorate the cake. Let's put a blue Play-Doh and purple. Look at that! Wow! Amazing! We have blue and purple candles. Let's decorate the cake. We'll put some flowers, blue hearts, beautiful. Let's decorate the other skirt of Princess Aurora. And now we are going to use the yellow Play-Doh. Let's put some flowers. And Princess Aurora's purse. She looks so fabulous. Let's do the fairies. The second fairy, we will use the purple Play-Doh. And the last fairy, we're using the blue Play-Doh. And we will not forget Aurora's friends. Now we have Princess Aurora and her friends in the magical castle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.